Hello everyone, in this video we are going to start past indefinite tense. So as we know we are learning active and passive voice. In this series we are going to start past indefinite tense. Today you may prepare your notes through these slides. So let's move past indefinite tense. So as we have discussed earlier, when we change active voice into passive voice, we change subject as the object and the object as the subject. Okay, so same thing we'll do here as we have discussed in previous video. So let's start. In affirmative sentence, main verb is in second form. As you know, past indefinite, subject plus main verb second form plus object plus complement. So main verb in second form in active voice. Okay, while in passive voice was or were is used विद मेन वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. वाज और वर का यूज़ करते हैं. एज वी कैन सी, ही हेल्प मी. हेयर योर सब्जेक्ट इज ही. इट शुड बी चेंज एज द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म ऑफ ही इज हिम. ओके. हेल्प्ड हेयर मेन वर्ब सेकेंड फॉर्म. सो was is used. So विद ही वी शुड यूज़ वॉज. तो वॉज लगाया यहाँ पे. एंड मेन वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. हेल्प का थर्ड फॉर्म हेल्प्ड हो गया. ओके. एंड हेयर दिस हेयर मी इज़ योर ऑब्जेक्ट. इट शुड बी चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट. इट शुड बी चेंज इन टू द सब्जेक्ट. सो subjective form of me is I. So your translation is, sorry, your passive voice is he helped me. I was helped by him. We always use by before object. Next, the farmer sold the grain. Here, in active voice, your subject is the farmer. It should be as the object of passive voice, means by the farmer. As we know, nouns में कोई change नहीं होता है. Sold here second form. It should be used with was or were and third form. Okay, so sold here second form, third form also sold. Then the grain here object, it should be as subject here. So your passive voice is the grain was sold by the farmer. Is it clear? Next, negative sentence. Did is used as helping verb in active voice, while in passive voice was and were is used with main verb third form. Same thing. Let's see. She did not call the children. See your subject. Did not call your negative. Uh, did your helping verb not plus call main verb first form. Then the children your object. Okay. So she should be changed as the object of passive voice. So okay, sorry, one mistake, I apologize. This thing here by हर होना चाहिए. ठीक है, बाय हर होना चाहिए. दिस वन इज रॉन्ग. ठीक है. ओके, बाय हर. ओके. सो हेयर बाय हर. डिड नॉट. डिड हेल्पिंग वर्ब नॉट प्लस कॉल. इट शुड बी कॉल्ड. ओके. एंड चिल्ड्रेन हेयर ऑब्जेक्ट. हेयर चिल्ड्रेन शुड बी the subject. So the children were not called by her. The children were not called by her. He did not buy mangoes today. Here he your subject. Did plus not plus buy plus your object mangoes. So in passive voice, mango should be your subject and he should be your object. So by him यहाँ पे हो गया. And here main verb first form with did not. So here main verb third form with were not. Okay. So mangoes were not bought by him today. Okay. Next, interrogative sentence. So as we did in last video, we'll cover interrogative negative sentence in this uh, means under this heading only. Okay. Did is used as helping verb in active voice, while in passive voice was were is used with main verb third form. Did you sweep the floor? Simple interrogative sentence. Did your helping verb in passive either was or were. So was हो जाएगा because your subject is singular floor. You subject it should be object in your passive voice तो by you हो गया. Sweep main verb first form it should be main verb third form so swept हो गया. Okay. Floor यहाँ पे आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है इट शुड बी एज द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस. सो योर पैसिव वॉइस इज वॉज द फ्लोर स्वेप्ट बाय यू. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट डिड यू ईट टुडे. सो व्हाट was eaten by you today. So here actually what did you eat today. तो here actually what is working as an object. ओके सो ये पैसिव वॉइस में आपका एज अ सब्जेक्ट वर्क करेगा. सो वॉट देन डिड चेंज हो जाएगा वॉज में. सो वॉट वॉज मेन वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म ईटन बाय यू. यहाँ पे यू सब्जेक्ट था तो ये आपके यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा बाय यू एंड आफ्टर दैट टुडे. सो वॉट डिड यू ईट टुडे का पैसिव वॉइस क्या हो जाएगा वॉट वॉज ईटन बाय यू टुडे. हु ब्रोक द जग. हु broke the jug. So by whom was the jug broken. Here who is also as I have told you earlier who means always who has a special case. ठीक है तो यहाँ पे जो है जब आप इसको सब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे तो इसके साथ ये ठीक है बाय जो है पहले आ जाएगा. बाय होम के साथ हमेशा साथ में रहता है. ठीक है तो हु ब्रोक द जग बाय होम वॉज द जग ब्रोकन. नेक्स्ट, वाई डिड शी नॉट प्रिपेयर ब्रेकफास्ट. उसने ब्रेकफास्ट क्यों नहीं बनाई है. दिस सेंटेंस इज इन इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव. वाई डिड शी नॉट प्रिपेयर ब्रेकफास्ट. सो वाई breakfast here your object it should be subject in the sentence. So why was the breakfast. okay breakfast आपका subject हो गया and did की जगह पे क्या हो जाएगा was हो गया यहाँ पे. why was breakfast not prepared by her. यहाँ पे she subject था तो इसका object her हो जाएगा. okay so here we complete passive voice of past indefinite tense. In next video we cover next topic. You should practice some sentences from active to passive voice. That's all for today. Thank you.